Today we are going to learn how to apply function when the condition is true. Now let's get started. Here you can say I have defined a variable num and assigned a value to. Then I am using num modulo 2 equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then I would be using a power operator which will do the square of an even number, because here we have applied a condition, so it will apply only for the square even numbers, the square, or else it will return the number directly. Here we are going to write a condition using when. So let's look into action. Here I'm going to write some code. So this when function needs two arguments. One is predicate and another one is function on true. Let me try to pass those predicate and function on true. Predicate would be the condition. Here our condition is the number should be an even number. So lambda x colon x modulo 2 equal to 0. Then function on true. What we need to do here is we need to do a square of a number. So lambda x colon x power operator 2, that is x star star 2. That's it. Now what we need to do is we need to call this function, but we need to write the definition, like when calling this function we need to do something, right? That we are going to write now. Return lambda x colon, then if predicate of x is true, on that case what we need to do, we need to execute another function, that is function on true. Function of true would be function on true. There we need to pass this x. Then we need to write the else part. If the condition doesn't satisfy, then what we need to do, we need to type else x, that is we are trying to return the value itself. That's it. Now let's try to run our code. We should see the expected output. Here you can see if we pass 1, that is an odd number, so it should return the number back. Say if you pass an even number 4, on that case it should return 4 into 4 is 16. This is how it works. Thanks for watching.